In this demonstration, I'll be using a ring launcher and different rings to understand and learn Faraday's law. So, using this ring launcher, the electricity flows through the cord coming from the wall, producing a AC current. This current is then wrapped around in this coil, as you can see right here. It does have a small resistor, but there's an electric current flowing through the coil right here in the copper wire, and this produces a magnetic field that will point up. And so when a ring is put on there, the ring has a magnetic force going down. A magnetic field going down. So this will create a induced current flowing if we use the right hand rule. So we know that using the right hand rule, we place our thumb in the direction of the magnetic field, which is downward for the ring. And our fingers will curve into the current direction. So that will be going this way to the right, and the magnetic field of the copper wire is pointing up, so the current will be going to the left, this way. So these currents, we can actually solve and figure out what the opposing induced currents are using Faraday's law, which can be seen right here. But because of this, the opposing forces will actually shoot the ring up, and we will test that with a copper ring, with an aluminum ring, and with a ring that is not fully closed. And we'll see that right here. Okay, so the first ring that I'm going to try is going to be the aluminum ring, and this one's closed. And so what we suppose will happen right now is that the copper wire magnetic field is going to oppose the magnetic field of this one, and the forces are gonna shoot straight up, and so the aluminum should almost touch the ceiling. Let's see. So as you can see, that one went pretty high. Now we're gonna try the one with the copper ring and see how that one does. That one went fairly high, but not as high as the other one. And then we're going to try a lighter aluminum one to see if it makes a difference. That one was fairly the same as the first one. Then we're going to try one with a gap and see how that one does. As you can see, nothing happens because no electricity is flowing through the rings, since there is a gap and no electricity can form a force